Hello students, today we are going to learn subject mathematics chapter 10 bank and simple interest. In last video we have learned about types of accounts in banks. Now we are going to learn how to calculate interest. Here are some formulae to calculate interest. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. P means principal. Principal means money that we borrowed or deposited. म्हणजे आपण बँकेकडून कर्ज घेतलेली रक्कम किंवा बँकेत आपण ठेव म्हणून ठेवलेली रक्कम जी असते तिला आपण प्रिन्सिपल म्हणतो. R is equal to rate. Rate mean interest on 100 rupees for 1 year. रेट म्हणजे व्याजाचा दर, तो म्हणजे 100 रुपयाचं 1 वर्षाचं व्याज जे असतं त्याला व्याजाचा दर म्हणतात. टी मीन्स टाइम. टाइम मीन्स पिरियड फॉर विच मनी इज बोरोड ऑर डिपॉझिटेड. ज्या कालावधीसाठी आपण कर्ज घेतलेला आहे किंवा पैसे बँकेत ठेवलेले आहेत त्या कालावधीला आपण टाइम असं म्हणतो. आय मीन्स इंटरेस्ट. इंटरेस्ट मीन्स व्याज. म्हणजे आपल्याला पैसे कर्ज घेतले असतील तर जी जादा रक्कम भरावी लागते त्याला आपण इंटरेस्ट असं म्हणतो. किंवा पैसे जर बँकेत ठेवले तर बँक आपल्याला जी काही जादा रक्कम देते तिला आपण इंटरेस्ट असे म्हणतो. हिअर इज वन अनदर फॉर्म्युला. अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू प्रिन्सिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. अमाउंट मीन्स टोटल मनी that we return to the bank when we borrowed money. means ज्या वेळेला आपण एखादं कर्ज घेतो तर ते कर्ज आणि व्याज मिळून जी रक्कम आपण बँकेला परत करतो त्याला आपण अमाउंट असे म्हणतो. स्टुडंट्स, we are going to use these formulae to calculate simple interest and amount. So let's solve some examples of simple interest. Students, let's solve one example. Here is an example. Sandeep Bhau borrowed 1,20,000 rupees from a bank for 4 years at the rate of 8.5 PCPA. PCPA means percent per annum for his son's education. What is the total amount he returned to the bank at the end of that period? So let's solve this example. First, find the principal, rate and interest in this example. Sandeep Bhau borrowed 1,20,000 rupees. So principal is 1,20,000. Next, for 4 years, that means time is 4 at the rate of 8.5 PCPA. Rate is equal to 8.5. That means 8.5. Now let's solve this example. First, we are going to find simple interest. Total interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. P is equal to 1,20,000 into R 8.5 into T 4 upon 100. calculate the expression. 0 0 cancel, that means we divide by 100 on denominator, numerator and denominator. So we get 8.5 into 4. 1200 into 8.5 into 4. When we multiply these all, we will get answer 40,800 rupees. So our interest is 40,800 rupees. But we have to find amount. So formula of amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal is 1,20,000 plus interest 40,800. So amount is 1,60,800 rupees. So Sandeep Bhau have to return the amount of 1,60,800 rupees. Students, let's solve the second example. Here principal is equal to 25,000 rupees, amount is equal to 31,000 rupees, time is equal to 4 years. What is the rate of interest? So we have to calculate the rate of interest. First, here given principal and amount. So we can calculate interest using amount and principal. Amount minus principal is equal to interest. Amount is 31,000 rupees minus 25,000 rupees. So interest is 6,000 rupees. Now we get interest 6,000 rupees. In this way we can calculate the rate of interest also. So our formula is interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. So interest is 6,000 rupees. So write here 6,000. Principal 25,000. Rate is not given, so we write here rate, and time is 4 years. 4 upon 100. Divide by 100 on numerator and denominator. Now 6,000 is equal to 250 into rate into 4. 250 into 4. 6,000 is equal to 200 into 50. 250 into 4 is equal to 1,000 rupees into rate. So for calculating rate, divide both sides by 1,000. $6,000 upon 1,000 is equal to rate. So divide divide by 1000. Therefore rate is equal to 6. So here is the answer, rate is equal to 6. When 3 values of these 4 values are given, we can calculate one value. We can calculate also principal and time when 3 values are given in the problem. Students, let's solve third example. Here is an example. Unmesh borrowed some money. Some money means principal is not given. For 5 years, time is 5 years, at the simple interest, the rate of the interest is 9 PCPA. Rate is equal to 9 PCPA. If he returned 17,400 rupees altogether at the end of 5 years, how much had he borrowed? That means principal is to be calculated. So 17,400 is amount. See here, T is equal to 5 years, R means rate is equal to 9 PCPA, and A means amount is equal to 17,400 rupees. So here are two things are not given, that is principal and interest. We don't know principal and interest, so we can't use this formula for calculate the interest or calculate the principal. So let's solve this example by another method. Rate is 9 PCPA, means interest on 100 rupees for 1 year is 9 rupees. म्हणजेच काय, तर 100 रुपयाचं 1 वर्षाचं व्याज 9 रुपीज आहे, तर interest on 100 rupees for 5 years is equal to 9 into 5 is equal to 45. म्हणजे 100 रुपयाचं 5 वर्षाचं व्याज किती होईल, 9 into 5 45 रुपीज होईल. So let's write the ratio of principal upon amount. Principal is not given here, amount is 17,400, and here principal is 100 rupees. Interest on 100 rupees means principal is 100 rupees, and amount is 100 plus interest 45. So 145. This is amount on 100 rupees. 145 is amount for 100 rupees. So we have to calculate here principal. So principal P is equal to, we have to multiply the 17,000 by 17,400 on both the sides. 100 upon 145 into 17,400. So let's calculate P. 100 and 145 are divisible by 5. So divide it by 5. 5 2s are 500. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 45. Now divide 17,400 by 29. It is divisible by 29. 29 ones are, and 29 6s are 174. 600. So P is equal to, P is equal to 20 into 600. Therefore 0 0 0 6 2s are 12. P is equal to 12,000 rupees. Therefore, the principal that Unmesh borrowed was 12,000 rupees.